Investing in cryptocurrency can be both exciting and intimidating, especially for beginners. With thousands of digital currencies available, how do you know where to start? Here's a step-by-step guide to help you embark on your crypto journey. First, let's talk about what cryptocurrency is. Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for security. The most well-known of these is Bitcoin, but there are thousands of others, such as Ethereum, Ripple, and Litecoin. What sets cryptocurrencies apart from traditional currencies is that they are decentralized and operate on blockchain technology, which is a distributed ledger that records all transactions across a network. Now, before diving into investing, it's crucial to educate yourself. Start by researching the fundamentals of blockchain technology and how different cryptocurrencies work. Websites like CoinMarketCap, Investopedia, and forums like Reddit can be valuable resources. You'll want to understand concepts such as wallets, exchanges, and the significance of market cap, which indicates the total value of a cryptocurrency. Once you have a basic understanding, it's time to choose your investment strategy. There are two primary approaches: long-term investing and short-term trading. Long-term investing, often referred to as hodling, involves buying cryptocurrencies and holding on to them for an extended period, hoping they will appreciate in value. On the other hand, short-term trading requires more active involvement, where you buy and sell based on market trends and news. Choose a strategy that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Next, you'll need to select a cryptocurrency exchange. Exchanges are platforms where you can buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. Popular exchanges include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. When choosing an exchange, consider factors such as user experience, security features, fees, and the variety of cryptocurrencies offered. Make sure to enable two-factor authentication to enhance your account's security. After selecting an exchange, you'll need to create an account. This process typically involves providing your email address, creating a password, and verifying your identity through KYC, Know Your Customer, regulations. Be prepared to provide personal information, such as your name, address, and sometimes even a government-issued ID. This step is crucial for maintaining security and preventing fraud. Once your account is set up, you can fund it. Most exchanges allow you to deposit money using various methods, including bank transfers, credit debit cards, or even other cryptocurrencies. Choose the method that works best for you, keeping in mind the associated fees and processing times. Now, let's talk about choosing your first cryptocurrency to invest in. With thousands of options available, it's essential to focus on a few key factors. When investing in cryptocurrency, prioritize strong fundamentals, like a solid development team and active community support. Bitcoin and Ethereum are excellent starting points, but don't overlook promising altcoins. Purchasing is straightforward on exchanges. Track your investments for tax purposes. For storage, consider transferring to a wallet. Hot wallets are convenient but riskier, while cold wallets offer enhanced security. Always prioritize security by using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication. Diversify your portfolio to manage risk and stay updated on market trends through reputable sources. Establish a clear exit strategy to determine when to take profits or cut losses. Continuous education and careful research are essential for navigating this volatile landscape successfully. Invest only what you can afford to lose, focusing on both profits and personal growth.